Welcome to the stock workout where we flex on the market to make gains. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Gevo, ticker symbol GEVO. Man, this had a huge day on Friday. It had an absolutely huge day. It was up nearly 24% on the day. After seeing a huge sell-off in recent weeks, it was good to see Gevo recover quite a bit. Now, in this video, we're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to take a look at some of the price action. We're going to go over why Gevo jumped the way it did on Friday as well. It did have a bit of news that came out, which was quite positive, and that reflected in the stock price as well. And we're just going to basically go through some technical analysis for this stock. Now, if you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bells on so I can keep you updated with different stocks. We're well on our way to 1K subscribers, so do show some love and support. If there's any other ticker symbols you want me to cover and do a bit of technical analysis in, leave it in the comments section down below. But right, let's get into it. So we're gonna go through a little bit of news first. So why Gevo stock jumped today. Now this was on Friday, May the 14th. So shares of Gevo were climbing today after the development stage alternative fuel company posted first quarter earnings results. With Gevo's revenue near zero, the focus seemed to be on progress at its net zero 1 plant. The stock closed up 24% on the report. So what happened? So Gevo reported $93,000 in revenue in the quarter. So that's quite low. It had an operating loss of 9.9 million and an adjusted loss per share of 5 cents. Though its results were mostly irrelevant as the company is in the process of building out a plant that converts crops like corn into hydrocarbon fuels such as gasoline and jet fuel, it says its technology will have a net zero greenhouse gas footprint, offering a unique alternative to other forms of renewable energy. Now, what I'll do is I'll leave the link for this article in the description below so you can take a read of it and take a look at it yourself. But I'll just highlight the main points. So the company said that the front engineering design work for Net Zero One was on track and expected to be completed by December. So that is very, very good to see that the company is finishing up and continuing with their Net Zero One project, and it is on track as well. So it is also constructing a renewable gas project in northwest Iowa that is expected to start running in the beginning of next year and generate $9 to $16 million of cash. So that will be next year. And the company had $525.3 million in cash and equivalents in their account. So the main thing is that the Gevo stock broke out basically due to its Net Zero One project. So because it was on track with this Net Zero One project, that is what boosted this stock price. I'll leave the link to this article in the description down below. And now, if we take a look back at the charts over here. So to start off with, on the charts, I've got the 21-day EMA pulled up alongside the 50, 100 and 200-day moving averages. I've got the volume and the RSI on the screen. For the RSI, anything under 30 is oversold and anything above 70 is overbought. As you can see here, the price was up 24%, just under 24% on the day, 23.95. But one thing to take note of is the volume. So with that good news with their Net Zero One project, the volume was at 35 million, and the average volume over the last 10 days has only been 13 million. So it was over double what the volume is coming into around approximately 2.5 times its average daily volume. So that's good. That's something we do want to see. Gevos has had a huge sell-off in the last few weeks, more than weeks, coming up to over a month now. But that is not something to be worried about. As we know, Gevo is still producing their Net Zero One project. They're still going out there and continuing with their Net Zero One project, and that's going to be the main thing that's going to bring them revenue. So currently, they're not making any revenue. So So they're not really fully commercial at the minute to be, producing huge revenue. So they have got orders for different types of fuels. They have got orders for fuels, but they are yet to produce them fuels. So the price will probably be quite volatile as they complete and finish out their Net Zero One project. Then we do have a solid ground and solid base for this company. And then from there on out, you will see this stock price be probably less volatile, and it will most definitely pick up. I do hold shares in Gevo, so I do have skin in the game. But right, from a technical standpoint, what has Gevo been doing? So it has been in a downtrend. As you can see here, if I zoom right out, it has been in a downtrend. That downtrend has been continuing from, absolutely ages, it feels like. However, this right now is looking quite good from this price action. I'll reset the chart. So what's it looking like right now? So first thing that I can see is a double bottom right here. So I'm going to mark that on the chart for you. So I've marked that out on the chart. We had a double bottom here at around $4.50, and we saw the price come down, bounce off $4.50, increase again. Price got rejected up here. We came down again, bounced off that $4.50 support level again, and we saw that huge upswing here. So that is a confirmed double bottom in my opinion. Up 24% for the day. Price is now at $5.90. Now, for those who did buy here at the support, that was a perfect buy the dip opportunity. Me personally, I did add to my position down here. I was a little bit late on it, so I didn't get in right at the bottom. I got in at around this $5 mark here. So I did dollar cost average down because I have been holding this for a while. In my opinion, this is one of them long-term plays. This is one of the ones where you get in early, hold it. Once the company starts producing revenue, then you're going to see a lot of people pick up these shares because where everything's going at the minute, everything is transitioning more towards a green energy. And that is Gevo's sole purpose, to produce hydrocarbon fuels that don't emit any or I should say, that are net zero in carbon. So the price came down, bounced off this twice. Double bottom confirmation here, and we did see a huge upswing in the price. Now, also one thing I want to mention is you can see that 21-day EMA has just crossed over that 50-day moving average. Now that's bullish. That is something we do want to see. This is the hourly chart, so this is a more microscopic point of view of the daily price action, and you can see that it's crossed over that 50-day moving average. So that is a bullish indicator right there. And yeah, well, 24% on the Friday, you don't think you can go wrong with a bullish indicator like that, a double bottom. So yeah, that's basically the reason why Gevo jumped on Friday. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch out to the daily chart. So here you've got the daily chart. Now this is a more macroscopic point of view, and as you can see, this price has been in a downtrend ever since when February, really. It's been in a downtrend since February. That 21-day EMA crossed under the 50-day moving average and crossed under the 100-day moving average too. However, the stock is still trading above the 200-day simple moving average, and that is good. Now, when we did see a decline in the stock price, you can see that we bounced here twice off that 200-day moving average. If I zoom in a bit, you can see the double bottom literally happens on that 200-day moving average. That 200-day moving average is roughly where the support line is at anyway at the moment, at $4.50. So to see Gevo's stock price hold that 200-day moving average, that is very good. And for those who got in at that point, well, you've been rewarded handsomely, as you can see with the stock price on Friday. Now, what we do want to see is we do want to see continuation of that stock price increase, and we want to see that 21-day EMA cross above that 100-day and 50-day moving average too. But just the sole fact that we were able to hold that 200-day moving average, I'm happy with that. That shows that the stock and the share price does have solid support and solid ground where it held that price. Double bottom, obviously, I mentioned before, and we are on our way upwards. While I'm taking a look at this macroscopic picture of the Gevo stock on this daily chart, it it seems like we are about to break out of this flag formation. As you can see here, here's the pole for the flag, here's the compression of price action, and we are looking to break out above this. Breakout above this would be around $6.25. So you know, maybe on the daily chart, when you look at it on a macroscopic picture, we have just been consolidating with that price action and we are about to break out. So for the past few months, we may have just been playing in this field of a flag formation, and now we're about to break out. So in my opinion, this is totally looking bullish. On a more macroscopic level, we had the double bottom. We have bounced off that 200-day moving average. As you can see, a flag formation as well. And it seems like we are just about to break out of that. And lastly, before I finish up on this, for those of you who are looking to swing this, me myself, I'm a long-term holder, as I mentioned. For those of you who are looking to swing this, well, on the 1 minute chart, we have formed another flag formation. So you saw here a run up in the price, then you saw a little bit of a sell-off, but this is basically a flag forming here, pennant formation here, and we are at the breaking out point. So for those who are looking to swing this as well, there are opportunities in this. Gevo's price does fluctuate quite a bit on a daily basis, so it is a good one to swing. And that's basically it for this video. Even on this 1 minute chart, you can see a flag formation. So I'm really bullish on this. Gevo's done really well. And that's basically it. For those who appreciate this video, drop it a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and show some support, and I'll see you on the next one.